Okay, for part 3 of developing one's intuition, I'm talking about creativity, because the part of your brain, in my humble opinion, that controls, the ability to perceive energies or to send the higher vibrational part of your brain, is also the part that is creative. And you might say, well, now I'm not creative at all. I can't do anything creative. Well, you can stimulate that part by maybe watching some TV shows, for example, that take old pieces of furniture or stuff and recreate them something else. See, that's creative, and you can watch that, and it might help you to develop that. Or you can do anything. You could just sit down and draw what you, it doesn't matter if it's good. It's totally beside the point. It's just stimulating that part. Because the more you kind of like see more colors in life, you might say, the better that part of you will be. So do anything at all, even if it's just watching somebody else do it, because that can help. Now I'm going to give you a few quick exercises too that might also stimulate things, and this may, I guess, be creative if you look at it a certain way. And the first is to get in touch with your senses. Okay, so you want to like get really quiet at some point and be very still and listen. And as you do, you might think, well, it's quiet in here, I don't feel here, but then you might hear your air conditioning or your fish tank, or you might hear a train in the distance, or you might hear somebody from a neighboring apartment or something. There's no telling what you'll hear, but you just want to pay attention to your breathing in quietly and calmly. And you can even suggest to yourself while you're doing that, I am very sensitive to psychic phenomenon. You could try, won't hurt. But anyway, listen. Then another thing you want to do is you might want to take something like a coin and then look at it and memorize it. Then put it down for wait a minute, then pick it back up and look again. When you look again, you might see things you never saw the first time. You could do it with like a pencil or any object. It don't matter. Any object at all. But it's just amazing how you'll look at it. You think, I got this memorized, and you look back and you'll see things that you didn't even see. Okay, another thing you might want to do, taste. Eat a grape. But when you eat a grape or a strawberry or a piece of bread, I don't care what you eat, don't just, do that, savor it, but notice all the textures. Notice all the things that you can as you taste this. What does it remind you of? Well, how does it feel? If you're eating a grape, the texture of the skin and the part of the fruit and all that stuff. But doing these a few times can help you to raise your vibration a little bit. And I think it's akin to creativity as well somehow. But can, as I said, maybe raise your vibration and help you be a little more perceptive in ways that you were not even aware that you could be. So that's my ABC method. But I'll be back with another video or two, maybe with a few more tips.